Hey guys, what's up? It's Sam Weisbach. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. It's been literally like a long time since I've sat down and filmed like an actual intro for you guys. I've just been like super busy and I couldn't get like the right setup, but now I have this perfect pink background for this perfect pink Valentine's Day look. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so for this look, I'm going to be using my Nubian 2 palette, and I'm using this color right here. It's a very pretty magenta color, and I'm going to be putting this into the crease, just back and forth motions, and then I will bring it up once most of the product is off my brush, so that way it'll go from light to dark with just one color, so it's easier. And then I will be using this sparkly purple color, and I will put this into the outer part of my lid, and then I will bring it up into the outer part of the crease. And yes, I see the hairs that I did not pluck. This camera picks up everything, so I cannot see that like in real life. So, oh my god. Yeah, it's pissing me off too. But yeah, so you're just gonna ignore that and you're just gonna keep blending away. And now I'm using my favorite brow bone color from this palette, and I'm putting this right onto the brow bone, and then I will blend out the crease again. And then I'm just going to cut the crease halfway, and then also I'm using that Giza color that I use on the brow bone into the corners of my eyes. Now I'm using this gorgeous pink with gold sparkle eyeshadow, and it's like literally such a gorgeous color, and it's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to be placing this all onto the inner part of the lid, so that way I'm covering up what I just concealed, and then I'm just going to nicely just blend it together with the purple, and then I will take the same purple and put it onto the lower lash line. And now I'm using this new black Fierce Flicks eyeliner that I got in my Ipsy bag, and then also these Crave lashes that are literally so amazing. I have them in the style Red Velvet. For lipstick, I'm going to be using my Velvet liquid lipstick that I got in my Ipsy bag by Hola Neon. It's literally so amazing and very matte. Stays literally on forever. Alright you guys, so that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this Valentine's Day look, and please check out my other two looks and I'll have them linked down below. And please follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter, or I usually post the most on Instagram more than I do on YouTube. I usually try to do once a week, but sometimes, you know, goes a little past a week. But yeah, if you want to keep seeing some of the looks that I do throughout the week, then definitely subscribe to my Instagram and Snapchat, because I usually post a couple times a week on those. So yeah, make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you know when I do post. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial. I'm gonna go. I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get another Valentine's Day look up before Valentine's Day, so I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. Whether you have a date or not, have fun, love yourself. Bye guys.